How you can submit a ticket in the Gcash. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can submit any ticket in your Gcash app. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your application, and from here you have to click on this profile icon that is in the bottom right corner. Now from here you just have to scroll down and go in the help. Now from here you have to select the option of the chat with GG. Now from here, once you are in the help center and in the chat with the GG, here you have to go in the message, and from here you have to search for the submit our ticket. So now once you search for it, as you can see that here is the option of the submit our ticket. Now from here what you have to do is simply click on it and just have to wait for the Gcash support to review your ticket and get back to you. Now just have to add your email address, Gcash registration full name, and your country, mobile number, concern category, and just have to add all of your attachment and submit your report, and that's it. So after that you are able to successfully submitting your ticket in the Gcash app. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.